Welcome to the process, episode 2. I'm not gonna do that. I don't know. Maybe I'll put that as the intro. Anyways, this is episode 2 of the process vlog. I'm gonna go do some jump ropes right now. It's a little humid. Look, I'm sweating. It's about 93 degrees. Am I watching Clash in Paris 3 days late? Yes. I'm on dad duty right now. Cody loves the belly scratches. Alright, gonna go do the jump rope now. I'll probably put a clip of that in here once I'm done. And then I'll see you after. $259. Not bad, we're back. Just finished jump rope. I try and do 250, so I did 259. Pretty good for the first time back in a few days, but I'm fucking gassed. Gotta get better. Gotta get that stamina up, but I feel good. A little gassed, but I feel good. Gonna go back in there, grab Cody, bring him out for a little bit. I have to start working a bit. I work the night shift, so gonna have to log in, but I'm glad I got this work in right now. And then haven't eaten anything so far. We're fasting, so when I get that first meal up, I'll film it and I'll put it on here. But yeah, stay tuned. Still haven't eaten anything. I've just drank some water, but I'm about to break my fast for the day. I have some sort of cantaloupe. I'm not honey cantaloupe, some shit like that. I got it at Costco. But it's just cut up. There's nothing on it. So I'm about to have a bunch of this. Food-wise, I'm not really, like, on any type of macros right now where I'm trying to hit this much. Like, I'm trying to do high protein. I'm trying to just eat clean. And I'm trying to just eat whole foods. So, whole fruits, whole vegetables, a lot of soups, a lot of protein. So, yeah. I have a soup that I'm going to show you a little later that I've been cooking up. It's still not done yet, but for now, I'm just going to have some cantaloupe. Banging. Alright, update several hours later. The only thing I have eaten so far is the melon that I talked about earlier, but dinner time. I got 2 servings of my beef soup that I made here. Just heating it up. Put 1 package of udon noodles, just for a little extra calories and some more volume. Probably gonna have 1 or 2 bowls of that, and that's gonna be it for today. Just some soup and some melon and some water. And I'm not like starving myself. I'm not trying to eat a little bit or whatever. I'm just kind of intuitively eating. So whenever I feel hungry, I'll eat some food. And I try and eat some clean food. So like soup that I made my own bone broth, veggies, fruit, like I said. So yeah. Let me plate it up, and then I'll give you a final shot of what the plating looks like, and that's probably going to be it for today. All right, there's our final product. Bowl of soup, a little bit of udon in there, some lime juice, some sriracha. Gonna down it with some water. We still got some left over here too. So if I'm feeling it, I'll do another bowl, but if not, like I said, just intuitively gonna go with it. But let me enjoy this dinner on my lunch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.